Yeah, Zane boy. I must live in my life. She used to tell me how she feel. Now she tell me.
I'm a rapper, record producer, beat maker, and also a writer known as Mesh. I was born in Durban on July 31, 1993. I was raised by my mother's family and spent holidays with my father. I started rapping in 2008, inspired by
Mesh. I started knowing Mesh when I was doing grade 2, and he was doing maybe, I'll say, grade 3 there. So Mesh, that's what's under my toys. We used to play toys maybe the whole day, and ngikhumbula saqala ama toys in grade 8. Mina ngangenza grade 8, yena wayefunda grade 9.
I started releasing my first mixtape in 2010 before World Cup. The name of the album was The Hip Hop Show, and in a 23 song. Yeah, this was a good start. I put it on my next mixtape, 2011. Yeah, the name of my second mixtape was He Ain't So Proud to Beg, with 11 songs. And Richard, I don't know how to call this, but I'm a download hours. It's more than like I'm expecting, featuring artists like Pezani, Ray, Speda Rapper, and also Umshana. On the mixtape, Kakone Mama like John and Kaslam and Tonight. Yeah, Papa my hits now. In 2012, I joined Face Off Muzik Productions. It's Kim Digital Wonder Man and Sikidio. Gonna feel drop a mixtape with 8 songs. This one exclusive. Gonna track la Papa called My Friend. You know, Kala on Kakasi FM, and after that I think week or 2 weeks I meet Salamachita Duncan and Umrep. Yeah, and they blessed me as an upcoming rapper in South Africa. 2013, I dropped about 5 singles and rapper inside. Yeah, this year was very, very busy. Things were coming together. I did a collaborational song with Speda Rapper, Why You Acting Like, and it's reached the highest number of downloads. It's even playlisted on 5FM.
One love.
I've been appeared on newspapers, magazine, aside pushing movies, writing, directing, and also acting. Yeah, pushing hard. When focus on a movie, I say John Glennie teamed up with something called Bad Cats.
My favorite track by Umesh is No Time for Sleeping. All I can say is that I describe
I enjoy multiple tasking and working with different people as well.
Yazi Smash. Ngiwaridi ngawe and opes bakufunda wena ifake yenze for inyamalala.
I got signed by 1,000 Miles Records, and this was the biggest moment I ever had in life. But some other known me as MXO. So one thing I've noticed is that every artist that is will always calls himself MXO. So I had to change the name. So Fiesta named me. He was like, you are Mesh. Surprisingly, I liked the name. Yeah, the guy is good and giving. I can say.
Mesh, I'll say, he's a hustler, a go-getter. He knows what he wants.
And I've learned something, especially in Durban music, including all the genres. In this industry, it's not about how talented you are, but it's about who you know. I'm going to do what makes me happy and be who I want to be, not what others want me to be or be. It's my career. I'm working on my first official album, which is gonna be called The Beginning. Basically, it's gonna be musical. I want to give it a time till the point Mina no Fiesta standard is storytelling of the instrumental club straight way more than doing rap songs. People need someone to believe in, and yeah, I promise I'ma give them what they want.